During the frosty days of winter, the ginger honey lemon cough remedy stands as an effective, natural solution to soothe persistent coughs and boost immunity. Ginger, known for its anti-inflammatory properties, combats inflammation in the throat, while honey coats and soothes the sensitive area, providing instant relief. Lemon, rich in vitamin C, not only enhances the flavor, but amplifies the immune-boosting properties, preparing the body to ward off winter illnesses. To prepare, mix freshly grated ginger, a squeeze of lemon juice, and a teaspoon of honey in warm water. Stir until blended. For added effect, inhale the steam while sipping, ensuring your body embraces every benefit. A method cherished through generations to fend off winter blues.